सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 9, page 61, verse 3. Anityam sarvamevedam तापत्रितयदूषितम् असारं निन्दितं हेयम् हेयमिति निश्चित्य शाम्यति. Ashtavakra, talking about the importance of Vairagyam, Nirvedam, the word he has used in the first shloka, second line. Nirvedat bhavatyagaha. You renounce the world. Bhava means janana marana samsara chakram. That itself is a bondage, bhava bandham. How? Nirvedat. Nirveda means by renunciation. Renunciation means detachment or dispassion. How you have to detach, how you have to develop dispassion or detachment with the world? By seeing the three doshas, tritayaha dushitam, by knowing its limitation, by knowing its demerits. Its means what? The world. World means what? People, objects, relations, possessions, everything. Whatever you come in contact, whatever we come in contact, either people or objects, all of them have their own limitations. What are they? Adhyatmika, adhibhautika, adhidaivikam. Adhyatmika means one's own body is having dosha, number one. Vyadhi, jara, marana. Shastra reminds us. Shastra reminds us. First dosha number one. Vyadhi, jara, marana, rupa, adhyatmika tapam, that which torments the person. When? All the time. All the time. Then second dosha is adhibhautika tapani, surroundings, the pain caused by the other jivas, other insects or reptiles or any wild animals or our own local traffic or mosquitoes. So all these are known as adhibhautika tapani. What about adhidaivika tapam? Caused by supernatural powers. Earthquake, cyclone, drought, ativrishti, anavrishti. All these are the causes. So tritaya dushitam sarvam idam nar. Remembering this fact is known as maturity. What is mental maturity? Mental maturity is that knowing the fact the world, people, body, these objects all have got their defects, intrinsic defects. Remembering them, not relying upon them, not giving more importance than what it deserves. This is called maturity. Sarvamidam anityam iti. Intrinsic defect is what? Anityam. Ashashvatam. Everything is temporary. Therefore, this nididhyasanam is very important. Aham brahmasmi jnanam. That is mukhya mukti. What is a primary mukti is that from the Atma standpoints, we all know Aham Satchit Anandaha Mukhya Mukti Siddha. That is Siddham. There is no doubt in that. But Gauna Mukti is that secondary liberation. There are Raga Dveshas. Raga Dveshas. Certain people are approval to me, certain things are approval to me, certain situations are approval to me, certain people, things, situations are not approval to me. Therefore, what I say, I grumble inside or outside often. So, this type of raga, dvesha come to surface often. You cannot make the mind totally perfect. Gradually, raga, dvesha, strong likes and dislikes, powerful vasanas, gradually you have to make them to recede. That Gauna Mukti, as much as you control, not enslaved to your raga, dvesha, strong likes and dislikes, not disturbed by the mind at any situation. That's called balanced mind. It is a lifelong process, I said. Therefore, nididhyasana is very, very, very important for a. In this point, Gauna Mukti standpoint, I am a sadhaka or siddha, accomplished or unaccomplished. Unaccomplished. From Gauna Mukti Drishtya, secondary liberation Drishtya, after studying Vedanta also, after attending classes also for a length of time, still I have some sort of jealousy, anger, frustration. Why these are all? Understand, these are all the problems of the mind. Accept them. Accept it is a problem of the mind. Shastra job is not to correct your mind. That is your job. Shastra has not come to make your mind perfect. Entire Shastra has come to teach you mind is mithya. Manas is mithya. So the mind mithyatva nischayam you have to do. Having done that mithyatva nischayam, still your mind disturbs. Like nai valu madre. How much time you make it straight, again it turns. Like that you need not feel bad. Okay? We need not feel bad. Therefore what? Therefore, don't leave it as it likes. Discipline it. Reduce raga, dvesha, strong likes and dislikes. Kopam, tapam, irritation, frustration. Koncham gradually korchinde varanam. 1000 watt bulb madri. Apra 0 watt bulb ku varanam. 0 watt bulb konja light kudukuma kudukada. Irukum. Not nil. So, ragadvesha is not nil at any time. So, anityam sarvam, You have to control. This is called nididhyasanam. How you can do all this? Why I have to be frustrated? Why I have to be disturbed? Everything is anityam, asaram. Okay, there are certain defects in the world, behaviors, people, situations, all will fluctuate now and then. Therefore, அலை ஒஞ்சி என்ன அலை வரும்போது என்ன பண்ணணும், இப்படி முண்டு அப்புறம் அலை போயிடும், அப்புறம் மேலே வந்துடும். Therefore, before I am going to disturb, become silent. உள்ளக்குள்ள கொதிக்கிறது கோபம். ஆனால் என்ன பண்ணணும், முள்ளமாக be silent at that time. I have to tell my mind, oh, now you are so agitated, keep quiet. Go and do some what? Aham Brahmasmi Dhyanam. That time we have to keep quiet, especially go away from that situation. You have to tell other family members also, now I am not going to interact. Let me be silent for some time. Leave me alone. Nothing wrong in that. Happily you can do that. Okay. Asaram ninditam. This world is with full of problems. You cannot correct it completely, totally. Heyam. Therefore, drop it. What you have to drop? Attachment. Expectation of peace, happiness, security from this temporary world, which has no essence of its own. Therefore, it is deserved to be dropped. Attachment to be dropped. Use it, but drop the attachment. Heyam iti nischitya. Having decided, shamyati, tranquil, calm, relaxed. Next shloka. Kasau kalo vayah kim vam. Kasau kalo vayah kim va. Yatra dvandvani nondrinam. तान्युपेक्षयथा प्राप्तवर्ती सिद्धिर्मवाप्नुयात्. क्षयथा प्राप्नुवर्ती सिद्धिमवाप्नुयात्. Ashtavakra continues. He says, the fact, is there any time Kalaha asau dvandvani or vayaha, is that any age of your life, at any time, any point of time in your life, anyone is free from this pair of opposites? What an analysis you see here. $1 billion worth analysis. Nrinam, for people, human beings, yatra dvandvani na bhavati, kalahava, vayahava, astiva. Is there a time or age for a person without any pair of opposites? Sukha, dukkha, jaya, apajaya, labha, nashta, gain and loss, success and failure, pain and pleasure. Is there any time or age? This year, at the age of 23, I am free from opposites, pair of opposites. Can you go back to your age at any point of time? Any vayas, 23rd year I was free from dvandvas, pair of opposites, or 25th year. Even from babyhood onwards, pain and pleasure continues from that time onwards until what? Unto last breath. Unto last breath. That's what is asking. Asau वयः कालः वा किं द्वन्द्वानि यत्र द्वन्द्वानि नृणां न भवति. Is there any time or place where people can be free from this? Never. Nartham. Aksheparthe. Kim and aksheparthe. Not questioning. There is no time at all. There is no age when they are free from this pair of opposites. Therefore, what? Two sides of the same coin. Coin cannot have one side. Therefore, two sides you have to accept. Therefore, tani upeksha. Ignore them. All the pair of opposites. Sukha, dukkha, labha, alabha. All these praise and censure. People appreciate you, praise you, and by that time you are so happy, elated, they come and give bad news. நினைச்சானா என்ன நினைச்சானா நினைக்கிறதுக்கு மனசுக்கு சகஜம்தானே. அது மாதிரி therefore Ramayana, in Adhyatma Ramayanam, Rama says, it seems that shlokas sukhasyantaram dukkham dukhasyantaram sukham dvayame taddi jantunam alanghyam dinaratrivat. You can understand. Rama says sukhasyantam dukkham. After, when the sukha ends, what comes? Dukkha. When dukkha ends, sukha. These two are like what? Dvayam etad jantunam alanghyam. Alanghyam means no one can cross. Jantuna means not buffalo or cow. Human beings. No human beings can jump over or cross over. Why? Dinaratrivat. Day and night. I want always day and night. Is it possible? No, night only because I can sleep more time. No. Day and night compulsory. Complementary they are. Therefore our sukha, dukkha also what? Complementary complement. Side by side. That's what he says. Another sloka also he says, Rama says, Sukham madhye sthitam dukkham. No need to translate. Sukham madhye sthitam dukkham, dukkha madhye sthitam sukham. This is namna puriyadu. Both are like what? He says, Dvayam anyonya samyuktam. Both are very closely intimate associated. What? Sukha, dukkha. Like what? Prochate jalapankavat. Jalapanka means jalam. Wherever jalam is there, there is some slush. Slush na theriyumillaya and paachi madri adla irukum. Jala panka. Is there a place panka without jalam? Is there a place jalam without panka? Adi madri sukha dukkha. Oh, therefore what? Accept. That is what. Tan upeksha yatha praptavarti. Whatever comes, agate swagatam kuryat. Pannir. Vango. Enna? Sukham, dukkam varumbodhu. Vango. Gachantam, when the sukha is going, suppose, na nivarayet. While going also give tambulam and send it. While coming, pannir. While going, tambulam. So therefore, like that we have to yatha praptavarti means yadricha labha santushtaha. Like that, siddhim amapnuyat. May you attain. Siddhi means accomplishment. May you accomplish. Siddhim kadham yatha prapnuvarti. Whatever comes, same way you live. Don't resist. No resistance, no rejection, too much aversion drop. Okay, that is what yatha prapnuvarti. Prarabdham, wind, how it comes, according to that it happens. Even Gnani also has got prarabdha. That's why one Gnani behaves according to his prarabdha. It comes like that. Not deliberately they do. Some prarabdha is very, very powerful. Next shloka. Nanamatam maharshinam sadhunam yoginam tatha दृष्ट्वा निर्वेदमापन्नः को न शाम्यति मानवः. Again develop nirvedam, detachment. With what? With different systems of philosophies. With different systems of philosophies. Nana matam. Different opinions of different philosophers of different systems. The Shiva Bhaktas, they say Shiva only great. Vishnu Bhakta says Shiva is tamasic. Some people come and say Brahmaji is rajasik. Our Vishnu is sattvic. Whoever does this disparity, they will get stomach pain. Shastra says. Therefore, you have to drop that abhimana. What abhimana? This type of my God is great, my religion is great, that you have to drop. So, here says Rishina, even though they are great rishis, the systems are discovered by, founded by great rishis. Maharshina, Patanjali Maharshi, yoga philosopher. Jaimini Maharshi, great Maharshis, they have established. Kapila Maharshi, Sankhya Matam. Like that, Maharshinam, Sadhunam, even different great sadhus, Mahatmas, they have established their own matams. Recent also there are different matams, are their concepts. Therefore, Sadhunam, Yoginam, some yogis and Patanjali, you can take Maharshi, Patanjali, some yogis, especially Siddha Purushas, yoga practitioners, they have developed their own matam. So, never develop any aversion towards them or attachment towards them. So, some important points of this Buddha matam, what they say, Jivatma, Paramatma or Jadam. Jivatma is inert. Paramatma is also inert for them. So, how you have to negate them? It is Shastra Viruddham. Buddha matam, what they say, everything is inert. Jiva Jadam, Paramatma Jadam, it is Shastra Viruddham. Shastra says Jiva is Chetanam, Paramatma is Chetanam. If they are inert, what will happen? Jadam, Andhakara Prasangaha, Jagad Andhakara Prasangaha. World is like a in darkness. But Jiva is also inert. Paramatma is also inert. What will happen? It is as good as darkness. Jagad Andhakara Prasanga. So, Buddha Matam we never accept. That's a Buddha Matam gone somewhere. Buddha born in India only. Okay. In Lumbini, Nepal, Lumbini, he born. But his system of philosophy is not surviving in India. Outskirts of outside countries it is surviving. So, Shastra Viruddham. Next, philosopher Karma Kandin, Mimamsakas. Those Mimamskas says no Ishvara at all. Karma alone is enough to go to Swarga. Karma itself gives Swarga phalam. Why Ishvara? That is also wrong. How Jadamaina karma, the inert karma can give phalam, punyam, papam, Shastra Viruddham. Therefore, reject all those arguments. Never intervene in those arguments. Pralapam anamata. This is called pralapam. They do jigishan arguments. Jigishana jetum icha jigisha. Why they are having jigishana? Prativadi jigisha. I want to conquer my opponent. ಹೆಂಗೆಯೋ ಅಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಡ ನಮ್ಮ ವೀಟ್ಲೆ husband and wife arguing in between these topics, worship God, they go on arguing. She want to conquer him, he want to conquer her, and debate la prativadi jigisha. Don't enter into that topics. Prativadi jigisha is not advisable. Then yajna yagadi karma kandin says do yajnam and yagam, you can attain swarga without Ishvara's intervention. That is also Shastra Viruddham. This is another matam, Purva Mimamsaka. Therefore, drop that matam also. Never encourage such type of ideas in your mind. This is about karma kanda. Then another matam, this Patanjali and Sankhya Karika, he says, both of them says there are many atmas. There are many jivatmas. Then we ask, you are telling there are many jivatmas. All the jivatmas who are all there, can they know about other jivatma? Can they know other jivatma? Sarvajnatvam is there for jivatma. If you say jivatmas are many jivatmas, there is no paramatma at all. If you say, is there sarvajnatvam for jiva? All knowerhood is there. He can know, omniscient, can he? Any jiva can be omniscient? Never. Therefore, you have to accept Paramatma, who is omniscient, Sarvajnaha. Jivatma is individual level, he is not Sarvajnaha. He is not all-knower. Like this, many systems of philosophies, they present their own ideas. Never argue with them. That's what Ashtavakra want to say. Like this, so many are there. In Brahma Sutra, we are going to see all of them. That's why Shankaracharya said in Viveka Chudamani, Shabdajalam Maharanyam Chitta Brahmana Karanam Ataha Prayatnat Gnatavyam Tattvagnas Tattvamatmanaha. Therefore, never carry away by the words. How much you are internalizing is very much important. How much you are a great scholar is not the question. Are you enjoying the Jivan Mukti Phalam really? Therefore, never carry away by Tarka, Mimamsa, Vyakaranam, throughout your life spending that. That's what he says. Nana matam maharshinam sadhunam yoginam tadha Nirvedam apannaha. The one who develops detachment with these all systems of philosophies without arguing. Even in Vedanta there is Visishtadvaita, Dvaita. So many difference of opinions are there. Tatha drishtva, having seen their differences, Mandukya Karika Gaudapada says, Parasparam virudhyante. One philosopher refute other philosopher. Parasparam virudhyante. Tairayam na virudhyate. We are not refuting anyone. எரிந்து போகட்டுமே என்ன அதில் எல்லாம் வியாவகாரிகம் மித்யா. Therefore, we are not bothered very much about those systems of philosophy because they cannot touch Advaita. They cannot touch Advaita. So that is called Advaita Jnanam. Aham Brahmasmi, non-dual Brahman is the only truth, the truth to understand. Next line, Drishtva Nirvedam Apannaha. Having understood this fact, having detached from them, are developing not interest, disinterest in them, not going behind them. Visishtadvaitam or Advaitam, not a fanatic in artha. One student was telling in another class, he went to one that Peetham, Swami, Peetham of that Swami. Swami's Peetham. ஏதோ ஒரு பீட்டம் இருக்கு, நிறைய பீட்டம்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. They used to give Diksha. I don't want to tell the name and all. Okay. He went, all of them went to take some Diksha. This man also went to take Diksha that day. That Swami asked, it seems, what is your name? My name is Ramalingam. Ramalingam. Rama Rama. He said, you change that Lingam word, you change. Rama Murti ani pettukona. No more Rama Lingam. After that, the student didn't go to that side also. See, that type of too much phonetics, that is not good. It blocks the mind, it blocks the intellect. So certain types of religious symbols wearing and practicing to refine your mind, not to criticize other systems of philosophy, not looking down upon the others. So that misleads the people. It misleads the people. Therefore, acharyas, peethams, they have to be very, very, very carefully. They have to lead the people. Vishishtadvaitam also, so to a certain extent, it is good. They have to follow their principles, religion practices. Dvaitam also okay, but that is not ultimate. That's why Advaiti encompasses everything, accommodates everything. Advaitiki no problem. நம்ம எல்லாம் பாரமார்த்திகம்ல இருப்போம். That's why Drishtva Nirvedam Apannaha Kahana Shamyati Manavaha. Who will not have a calm peace of mind? Once you drop all these views, different views of different people, only Advaitam Brahma Ahamasmi Kahana Shamyati. Who will not have PHS? Peace, happiness, security, who will not have? That person definitely will have peace, happiness, security. Therefore, never say this matam is great or this follower is great, I follow that, I follow this. That's why we are not followers. We are not followers. Follower means what? Believers. Followers are always believers. They never allow their intellect to function. They just close their intellect. Followers are believers to some extent, it is okay, but not lifelong. That's not ideal. Shastra never encourage. Next shloka. Krutva bhuti parigna, Krutva murti parignanam Chaitanyasya na kim guruhu Nirveda samata yuktya Yas यस्तारयति संसृतेः यः whoever निर्वेद समता युक्त्या निर्वेद मीन्स वैराग्यम विरागस्य भावः वैराग्यम विरागम मीन्स रागरहितत्वम रागरहितम मीन्स म्यूजिक सीजन there are so many music programs are going on ragarahita means attach without any attachment and artha without attachment with what whatever is asaram anityam heyam this nama rupa prapancha that towards that he must have that nirvedam samata means equanimous mind samatvam yoga uchyate equanimous mind balanced mind a steady mind a disciplined mind quiet mind calm mind to listen very nice serene mind pious mind that mind samata yuktya by reasoning some logic you must have some things stuff here to think not gumpulo govinda adille so here you have to think with reasoning and all yukti logic yaha nirveda samata yuktya then what chaitanyasya murti parigyanam krutva having developed this nirvedam and samata and yukti the capacity to do reasoning why this is like this why this is like this vicharana uha poha vicharana then what you have to do chaitanyasya murti parigyanam you have to know the nature of that chaitanyam murti means here swarupam parigyanam means knowledge of what chaitanyasya chetanam brahma chaitanyam brahma chit chaitanyam consciousness of that consciousness one has to know its reality its nature parigyanam krutva shravana manana nididhyasana dwara श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासन द्वारा परिज्ञानम कृत्वा मीन्स व्हाट परितः ज्ञानम टोटल नॉलेज डाउट फ्री नॉलेज क्लियर नॉलेज हाउ ही कैन और शी कैन गेट क्लियर नॉलेज consistent systematic study of Vedantic scriptures under a competent alive teacher for a length of time. Then only he can do parigyanam krutva. Chaitanyasya parigyanam krutva samsrutehe tarayati kim na guruhu. Samsrutehe na from samsara. Janana marana samsara chakram. Samsara samsrutiyanna again the birth and death cycle. Samsrutehe tarayatina, the one who helps to, one who has crossed by himself or herself from the janana marana samsara chakra. How one can cross janana marana samsara chakra? Na, I am free from birth and death. I am Satchit Ananda Swarupam. This body-mind complex is Anatma. Having understood that, recognizing I am Brahman, I am free, such a guru can help others to cross over the samsara. That's what he says. Kim guruhu na bhavati saha. Such a person is not your guru. Accept him as your guru, who has already crossed the samsara and who is helping others to cross over samsara. క్లాస్ మేల క్లాస్ వెచ్చిటి వర్ష 10 వర్షం 13 వర్షం 15 వర్షం హ్యామరింగ్ తత్ త్వం అసి అని ఉపనిషత్, భగవద్గీత, బ్రహ్మసూత్ర, దిస్ మచ్ దట్ టీచర్ ఈజ్ టీచింగ్, కిం న గురు. దట్ ఇస్ వై గుకారస్త్వంధకారో వై రుకారస్తన్నివర్తక అంధకార నిరోధిత్వాత్ గురురిత్యభిధీయతే. Guru is one who destroys andhakara, ajnanam. Therefore, my Guru is such a great Guru. Samsrutehe tarayati kimna Guru. Some people say Guru tarayati means they take it as my Guru will take me to that moksha. People totally depend on Guru. Shastra never accept that. What Lord Krishna says, uddhared atmana atmanam. You have to uplift yourself. Unless studying Shastra, I am doing lot of seva to my Guru. I am always with my Guru only. Can I get moksha? You get punyam, not moksha. You can get some refinement of your mind, everything okay, but that is not be all and end all. Guru Sushrusha is a part of our Shravana Manana Nididhyasana. You have to study systematically. As the teacher says, you have to study. No way out. No way out. That's why Sushrusha along with that study, systematic study. I study only, but I never talk to my teacher. I never go to the teacher. Na kitta kuda pomaatena. Appo gnanam varadu. Some people appadiye pinnadi ukkandi poiduva. No, you have to talk with your Guru and have a rapport with your Guru and communicate what you are understanding. You have to do some interaction with the Guru. Once in a while, not every day. Okay, once in a while. Then Guru understands where we are, what we need. Guru will take care of which way we have to understand what are all things. That is also required. Idella public class of vachi Gurukulam illa enna pandrathu. That's why once in a while I remind like this. Generally in public classes everybody comes and goes. How can we say? In Gurukulam enna mukara vechini pannu appadiye. வேறு வழி கிடையாது. யூ கேனாட் கோ அவுட் சைடு. ஹியர் அப்படி இல்லையே. 1 hour ஓன்லி குரு கிட்ட வருவான். அப்புறம் வீட்டுக்கு போய் 1 week சம்சாரம். வெரி வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். தட்ஸ் வை யூ ஹாவ் டு பி இன் டச் வித் குரு ஆல் த டைம் அண்ட் சாஸ்திர. ஓகே. நிர்வேதம் சமதாயுக்தியா எஸ் தாரயதி சம்ஸ்ருதேஹி கிம் ந குருஹு சஹ సహ గురుహు ఏవ అన్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ శ్లోక. పశ్య భూత వికారాంస్త్వం భూతమాత్రాన్ యథార్థతః తక్షణాద్ బంధ నిర్ముక్తః స్వరూపస్థో భవిష్యసి. అష్టావక్ర సేస్ భూత వికారాంస్త్వం యథార్థతః భూతమాత్రాన్ పశ్య. భూత వికారాం that body mind complex which is that modification of 5 elements. Bhuta vikara. Akasha, Vayu, Akasha no vikara. Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Prithvi. These elements are only in different format. Body is nothing but walking 5 elements. What is body? Body is nothing but Panchabhuta Udal, they say. Panchabhautika Shariram, this body. So, Bhuta Vikaram. Bhuta means not any ghost here. Bhuta means Panchabhuta Vikaram. Akashad Vayuhu Vayoragnihi Agnerapah Adbhyah Prithvi Prithivya Oshadhayah Oshadhibhyonnam Annat Purushaha. இதெல்லாம் எங்கே ஞாபகம் இருக்கும் நமக்கு? கண்ணாடி முன்னாடி உட்கார்ந்த உடனே பவுடரு ஃபேஸுக்கு ஸ்னோ அப்ளை பண்ண. இதே தவிர யூ ஆர் அப்ளைங் டு ஹூம் அண்ணா தி ஃபேஸ் பவுடர் ஆல் திஸ் திங் யூ ஆர் அப்ளைங் டு வாட்? அக்னி, ஜலம், ஆபஹ, பிருத்திவி. யூ ஆர் அப்ளைங். So Ashtavakra has to come and remind us. Bhuta Vikarams Yatharthatah, really, its real nature you have to understand. What is that? Bhuta Matran. They are nothing but 5 elements in different format. Avladha. 5 elements in different form. In the word, nalla underline pannikano. Okay. Nalla underline pannano. Bhuta Vikaram Yatharthatah Bhutamatran Tvam Pashya. May you look into that. When you stand in front of mirror, you have to remember what? Fire element, earth element, water element. Water content is there in your body? Yes. Fire element is there? Yes. Earth element is there? Yes. Vayu? Air principle is also there. When you stand in front of mirror, you have to recollect all these things. As you are applying the powder, as you are combing your hair, you have to, oh, Panchabhuta Shariram, I am decorating you. You have to tell. I am dressing you. I am decorating you. I am applying Sinduram. I am applying Vibhuti. I am applying Kunkumam. I am applying hair oil. Oh, Panchabhuta Sharirama, I am applying to all. All bodies are doing this only, no? Who says? I am not telling. Tvam Pashya. Ashtavakra says, may you recognize. Pashya means not seeing into the mirror. May you understand, recognize. Tat Kshanat, immediately, once you recognize this, if you recognize like this, immediately, next moment, bandhanirmuktaha bhavishyasi. You will be free from bondage. Janana marana samsara chakra, this bondage, you are free. Bhavishyasi. You will be free from that. Then where are you? Swarupasthaha. You remain as Brahman. I was Brahman, I am Brahman, I ever will be Brahman. I cannot be other than Brahman. I cannot be other than Brahman. See, when you look into the mirror, very interesting point I want to share with you. When you look into the mirror, what you are going to see? Your face. Are you interested in seeing the mirror or reflection or your original face? Original face. When you stand in front of the mirror, your reflected face is formed there. It is in the mirror. Mirror, reflected face and original face. Are you interested in original face or reflected face or mirror? Original face. Yes? Mirror is called Venjakaha, the revealer. Your original face is Vyangyaha, revealed. When you stand in front of the mirror, mirror reveals your face. Therefore, mirror is Venjakaha. revealer. By forming a reflected face, it reveals your face. Therefore, face, original face is revealed. Revealed means what? You know your face. So, mirror is Vyanjakaha and your face is Vyangyaha. This is Drishtanta. Now come to Darshtanta. The world is like a mirror. I, the Atma, am reflecting in many forms. Vishwam darpana drishyamana nagari tulyam nijantargatam. வருஷ கணக்கில் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கோம். விஸ்வம் தர்ப்பண திருஷ்யமான நகரி. The whole universe is like a mirror. I, the Atma, am reflecting in the world mirror. World is Vyanjakaha. All forms are Vyanjakaha. Who is revealed there? Chaitanya Atma Aham. I am revealed in every form. But what we are doing in the world? This world is exploiting me, cheating me, problematic to me, and we are complaining the world. World is Vyanjakaha. I am Vyangyaha. Vyangyaha means revealed. Aham Brahmasmi is revealed by this body. Chaitanyam Brahma, Shuddham Brahma cannot be visible, aprameyaha. Therefore, thank the world mirror. It is revealing me, the Brahman, body also included in the world mirror, your body also. So, this body is what? Vyanjakaha, revealer of what? Aham Brahma Asmi. Naan irken enakku theriyum. That revealed Vyangyaha. First time I am revealing this. Okay. The fact I am revealing Aham Brahmasmi Vyangyaha, revealed by the body. Now this body is what? Mirror like. Don't curse your body, don't curse your mind. Mind is also what? And the kannadikku pinnadi oru indha lepanam apply பண்ணுவா தெரியுமா? அந்த இல்லைன்னா காணும், மூஞ்சே காணும். அதனால மனசு கூட வண்டர்ஃபுல். மனசை வேதம் ஆப்தவ்யம். இதம் மனசா ஏவ ஆப்தவ்யம். Therefore, body, mind is wonderful. Yes? Next shloka. Vasana eva samsaram iti sarva vimunchataah. Tadyogo vasanatyagat stitiradhyayatha tatha. Sorry, first, second line, tatyagaha. Tatyago. Tatu tyagaha. Okay. Vasana eva samsaraha iti. Sarva vimunchataha. Taha vasanaha. Vasana means latent impressions. In English lo chollanamanna, latent impressions are tendencies. Or you can translate it as desire. Desire. Malina vasana. Shubha vasana, you need not do tyagam. Classic varanam annadi kuda desire. Don't do tyagam. Okay. Study of scriptures also a desire, but that is Shubha vasana. You can continue. Malina vasana you have to drop. Vasana eva bandhaha. That malina, wrong desires, the wrong notions, clinging or inclination. Vasana means clinging, inclination, expectation. May you drop towards anatma. Why? Because that alone is bandhaha. That alone is cause of bondage. all wrong expectations. You drop. Sarvaha vimunchata. May you drop all of them. Totally can you drop? No. Shubhavasana you need not drop. Malinavasana you have to drop. What are all vasanas? Lokavasana, Dehavasana, Shastravasana. In Vasishta, Yoga Vasishtam, Vasishta Maharshi says to Rama very elaborately about Vasana. Lokavasanaya jantoho Shastravasana picha Dehavasana jnanam yathavanneva jayate. As long as you have Lokavasana, I want to go to Swarga, I want to go to higher lokas, Lokavasana. Dehavasana, pampering the body, Dehavasana, taking care of the body, pall care, hair care, nail care, all the time, park, walking, park, sutti, gym, aerobics, or this or that person is, என்ன சாப்பிடணும், கேரட் சாப்பிடலாமா, அது சாப்பிடலாமா, இது சாப்பிடலாமா, ஃபுட்டு, டூ மச் அப்செஸ்ட் வித் பாடி. Everywhere you can see the boards, no? They are promising, will make you young. No? Who can make you young? No? Impossible. Okay, Lokavasana, Dehavasana, then Shastravasana. அது படிக்கணும், இது படிக்கணும், படிக்க வேண்டியது படிக்காமலே எல்லாமே படிக்கிறான். ஆனால் துக்ளக்கு படிக்கிறான், நக்கீர்னு படிக்கிறான், அப்பப்போ அதை குமுதம் கிமுதம் எல்லாம் படிக்கிறான், அப்பப்போ உபனிஷத்து local magazines. Not only that, even come to Shastra also, the studying Tarka, Vyakaranam, Mimamsa, other Grandhas, Ramayanam, Bharatam, Maha, idella mudichittu varano actual Shastrathukku. You have to complete all of them and come to Shastra. Some extent you read, but you need not carry away by this Vyakaranam or Tarka. They are all only ancillaries. They are only supplementary for Vedanta. People lose track. That's why Ashtavakra says, Vasana Tyagaha. Tat Tyagaha means Vasana Tyagaha. Vasana Tyagat. What will happen once you do that Tyagam? Sthitihi Adya Yatha Tatha. As it is, wherever you are, you need not change your ashrama, you need not go to Himalayas. Yatha tatha. Wherever you are, there itself you are muktaha. Sthitihi. You abide. Adya. Now, here itself. Aham Brahma Asmi. Either Brahmachari or Sannyasi or Vanaprastha or Grihastha. Ashrama, Varna. Ashrama doesn't matter, wherever you are, in whatever position you are Brahman. Sthitihi atra. Give up Lokavasana, Dehavasana, Lokeshanayascha, Vittaishanayascha, Putraishanayascha, Vyuthaya, Bhikshacharyam Charanti. Ninga Bhiksha illa edaka venda, Sannyasi Madri. You have to live. With this, Ashtavakra concludes. So relationships all should not enter inside. They should not, water should not enter the boat. Boat can sail in the water, but water should not enter. Like that in the world, you can move and interact, but world should not enter inside you. You can move in the world, in relations, people, but world should not enter inside you. Who should enter inside you? Shastra, Guru, Ishvara. In the mood da ulla edam. Inna Shastra, Guru, Ishvara. In my heart, where place only எப்போவுமே குரு சாஸ்திர ஈஸ்வரன். இந்த மூடு தவிர வேறு ஏதாவது இருந்தால் மோட்சம் வராது. ஒரே in our hridayam, that means what? In our mind, if anything preoccupied other than Shastra, other than Guru, other than Ishvara, we are samsari. దే కెన్ బి దేర్ అవుట్ సైడ్. வேஷம், அது வேஷம் போட்டுக்கோங்க. வேஷம் போட்டுனா உள்ள ஆள் மாத்திரம் யாரு? தீவிர முமுக்ஷு. தீவிர முமுக்ஷு, ஜிக்னாசு, ஆல்வேஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் ஃபார் வாட்? அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞான நிஷ்டா. லைக் யூ ஆல். ஓகே, அஷ்டாவக்ர இஸ் டெல்லிங், give up vasanas towards anything. Never have obsession towards anything, including your body, relations. Reduce all your possessions, obligations, transactions and relations. Easily you can say in short, within short time, within no time, adya yatha tada sthitihi. एषा ब्राह्मी स्थितिः पार्थ नैनां प्राप्य विमुह्यति स्थित्वा स्यामन्तकालेऽपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमुच्यति. First line talks about Jivan Mukti, second line talks about Videha Mukti. For whom? Ashtavakra students. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.